I've been working OT. I'ma make a stack, put it on my mommy, yeah.
Welcome back to BA Performance. Today we're going to be installing these Ziza Halo lights. I got them from ECS Tuning. The reason I'm putting these in is because these yellow ones, it's hard to tell on camera, but they're more like yellow and green and red, and I don't really want to take the chance with getting pulled over for not having white lights, so we'll be swapping them out today and reviewing these Ziza Halos. Okay guys, so here is the eBay Hot Boy light. You see it has one LED on each side and 3 lock-in points there and there and there, and then it has a power wire there, and then this is the Wi-Fi controller, and then this is the resistor so that it won't throw code, and then this is the Ziza light from ECS, and as you can see it has 4 LEDs on it. It has the same 3 things to lock it in there, so it should fit, and then it has resistors on it also, and then just one plug to plug in. It doesn't have this big hunk of junk there, so I'm gonna try and fit that in there. Okay guys, to install these, what I did is I took that permanent marker right there and I put a little mark on the side that's the top, which is the farthest gap between the 3 prongs. See, those 2 are a little bit closer than those 2. And then what you do is you put the big end in first, and then you line this up to the hole, and then you use the wire to pull it in, and then you twist it clockwise to lock it in. I can't really film that because it's, once you have your hands in there you can't really see, so yeah, make sure you get all 3 prongs in the holes, and I put the mark on there so I know which way is the top, so they should line up pretty easy. And so once I get this one in there, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, not really sure how that happened, but now I'm bleeding, so take 5. Okay guys, so inside of here, the 2 metal prongs don't ever seem to line up to the holes in here, but that's okay. You can just bend the prongs together, and then you're going to want to make sure you wipe up any blood that you may have spilled, because you don't want that in there. Okay guys, both sides are installed, covers are back in. We're going to go ahead and try it again, and I'm going to look and see if they flicker or anything when they come on. Nope, they seem to come on pretty nice and clear. I would say they look pretty good. The little flicker you see is just the camera lens rate. I'm pretty happy with those. I might come back out later tonight and check them on again. Alright guys, it's a little bit darker out. Let's check these lights out again. Okay, so they no longer come on when I unlock them. So I don't really care for that. So remember that if you buy the Ziza lights. But yeah, they look pretty sick at night though. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video on the Ziza headlights from ECS Tuning. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.